Manufacturing buyers complete most of their research long before they talk to sales, which means the brands publishing the clearest, most technical content win early trust. The best formats for 2026 are the ones engineers and procurement teams rely on daily: data sheets with precise specs, CAD and 3D files, technical guides, ROI tools, and comparison sheets that cut through uncertainty. Add high-impact video, factory walkthroughs, explainers, maintenance demos, and you help buyers visualize reliability, safety, and performance. Case studies with quantified outcomes remain one of the strongest trust signals, while calculators, selectors, and configurators capture intent with zero pressure. Pair all of this with AEO-friendly structure so your content appears directly in AI-generated search answers. When your library delivers detail, clarity, and proof, buyers move faster and shortlist you sooner. If you want help building a content system that manufacturers actually trust, reach out and let's get started.